Hello traders, in this chart automatically you will get calls like a signal. Right now sell call generated, red color candle open. Daily basis in live market it will analyze the market movement like where to take entry, where to put the target. Likewise it will analyze the market movement based on our own strategy. According to the strategy, whenever a breakout happen, it will immediately give calls like a signal. It happens automatically. Okay, right now you are watching the video now like this. In this chart daily basis you will just watch. By just watching this chart you will get entry point, target, stop loss in live market, because the chart will analyze in live market, and in live market if breakout happen it will immediately give this signal. Okay, right now today it's Tuesday market, March 18, right now 11:45. During this time this sell call generator, the call came at 46,534. That straight white line from red candle, that is our entry point line. Below lines are first target, second target line. Above line is the stop loss line. The first target range is 46,417. It's more than a 100 point first target. To be accurate, 117 point first target range. So daily it will give these suggestions. According to the suggestion, according to this entry point, you can do manual trade in your broker account, or auto trading also possible by connecting your broker account to this chart. For more plan detail, for more chart, if you want this chart means just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We will provide the subscription detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it also. After 1 hour of long trading, it finally break out the target. Like this, today's sell call generated and break out the target. If you want to subscribe for the chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp.